I added condensed milk to cornmeal and was surprised by the result. To start, in a container, add 2 cups of cornmeal, 395 grams of condensed milk. Take the opportunity to write in the comments the city you are talking about, so I can send you a big hug and now where my recipe is arriving. Also add 2 cartons of cream of 200 grams each. And now, with the aid of a spoon, mix everything very well. If you're enjoying the recipe, don't forget to like it and leave that love. That way you help a lot of people in the channel. What will come out of this recipe? If you already know, leave the answer in the comments. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast and stir again, but very slowly, just to incorporate the yeast into the dough. If you don't follow us or are not subscribed in our channel, follow us and subscribe now, because we post videos every day at 6:30 p.m. bring you the best recipes. Let's pass this dough into a mold greased with butter and cornmeal. Guys, this recipe is amazing. There's no way to resist. It's very quick and easy to do, and I'm sure you will be amazed by the result. As a visitor arrived and you don't know what to do, grab the cornmeal, condensed milk and sour cream and you already have this delicious recipe. Now just put in an oven at 200 degrees for 35 minutes and our cake is ready. And look how beautiful it looks. You can do it at home, which I'm sure everyone will love, and ask how you made this cake, and they will be surprised by the answer. I would like to send a big hug to Eliane, who is with us from Rio de Janeiro. A big hug for you and your family. She loved our roasted chicken recipe. If you haven't watched this recipe yet, run there and watch it now. It was amazing. This cake for breakfast or afternoon is delicious. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.